I've spent the last 2 months testing every major Dutch oven release for 2026, from legendary French heirlooms that cost as much as a plane ticket to Europe to budget heroes under $100 that actually outperform expectations, searing thousands of pounds of meat, slow braising until 3 a.m., and baking loaf after loaf of bread to find out which ones truly deliver that magical, even heat that turns tough cuts into butter and transforms flour and water into bakery-quality crust. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best Dutch ovens of 2026, and what number 1 did to my 7-hour beef bourguignon honestly made me text my mother to apologize for ever doubting her cooking, so let's heat things up. Starting at number 1. Staub round Cocotte. Best overall Dutch oven. Staub's 5.5 quart round Cocotte won overall for several reasons. It performed well in our tests, achieving deep brown caramelization on the chicken and a solidly crisp, cooked rice. We found it easy to use and large enough to handle any task that requires a Dutch oven. We think, given the many years and meals buyers get in return, the price of the Staub is fair. I love Staub because of the manufacturing and quality, says Leahy. They're built like a tank. The brand's pieces are so well constructed that we barely saw any scratches on the exterior glaze during the durability test. An editor favorite among the staff, the Staub Cocotte features a dark interior that we found hide stains and discoloration from searing and long cooks that naturally appear over time. Overall, it's a superior product to its competitors in every way. People often compare it to the Creuset Dutch oven, but our tests show that the proprietary spikes on the Staub lid give it the edge for slow cooking. Staub is also, slightly, more affordable. Number 2. Lodge Dutch Oven. Best value Dutch oven. Lodge's 7-quart cast iron Dutch oven is amazingly durable. There were no signs of damage from durability tests, and we noted that Lodge never disappoints. The Dutch oven is beautifully constructed and super sturdy, you can tell it will last several lifetimes. It performed well in cooking rice and chicken thighs. It's an excellent price for something versatile and a good addition to an existing Lodge cast iron skillet collection. The only problem I have with Lodge is that it's an unfinished iron. You can have a nice patina of carbon build up on the inside of it, which will flick away. And it can rust if you don't care for it properly, says Leahy. Lodge is a great Dutch oven option if you're happy to care for your cast iron consistently. Number 3. Creuset Signature Enameled Cast Iron Round Dutch Oven. Best splurge Dutch oven. The Creuset 7.25 quart round Dutch oven is a classic valued worldwide. Creuset is an aspirational brand for home cooking, known for its heirloom quality products and an endless variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. While you can find more affordable Dutch ovens, we highly recommend the Creuset. Several editors have cooked with them for years, and we stand by their durability and versatility. There's a reason it's a classic French kitchen item. Initially, I was worried the 7.25 quart size might be too big for everyday cooking, but compared to my other 5.5 quart Dutch oven, it provides a lot more surface area for browning, says senior editor Danielle St. Pierre. I also really like the handles. They're slightly larger, rounded, and comfortable to grip. We found that they get hot to the touch during testing, so be careful. The enameled interior is slick and also very easy to clean. I've used this for countless roasts and braises, both in and out of the oven. I've noticed some slight discoloration and staining on the light-colored interior enameled finish over the 2 years I've tested it, but it still looks great and performs well. We recently retested the 5.5 quart model, and it is a great size for everyday cooking, but the 7.5 quart model is more versatile in the long term. We did find some sticking and staining during this test. However, it was easy to clean off. Although the oven is dishwasher safe, we recommend hand washing it. Creuset offers a wider variety of colors and shapes than competitors such as Staub, making it a strong choice for those seeking more options. Number 4. Carote Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Best non-toxic Dutch oven. The enameled cast iron Carote Dutch oven exceeded our expectations. The pot felt well balanced when it was full of food and received high marks on every test. It performed beautifully when browning chicken, leaving no marks and achieving an exceptional sear. It cooks as well as some higher-end brands and cleans easily without staining. The lid fits securely, which is imperative for a tight seal when cooking in a Dutch oven. We were worried about white exterior staining, but it was unfounded. The exterior has held up well during multiple cooks. If we didn't already love the Lodge as a value pick, this would have qualified as well, since the price point was among the lowest we researched and tested. It's a smart addition to any non-toxic cookware collection. Number 5. Made in Oval Dutch Oven. Best Large Dutch Oven. We were impressed by the Made in Oval Dutch Oven during our testing. It's crafted in Northeast France, and its large oval shape is ideal for larger cuts of meat, batch cooking, or households with more people. During our tests, the Dutch oven demonstrated exceptional heat retention, consistently cooking food with minimal cool spots. It features a non-stick coating, making it easy to clean, which is a plus when braising and developing flavor. We haven't seen any issues with sticking, burning, or scratching so far. We like that it has a metal knob for worry-free oven cooking. And it's an unbeatable value for a Dutch oven of its size, priced at $299. It's an oversized Dutch oven, so take care when handling it during cooking and cleaning. If you have trouble managing heavy cookware, choose a smaller or lighter Dutch oven from our other winners. Now you know exactly which Dutch oven deserves a permanent spot on your stovetop, whether you need the heirloom quality French beauty that will outlive your grandchildren, the rugged workhorse that delivers flawless results at half the price, the lightweight carbon steel marvel that's easier on your wrists, the raw cast iron legend perfect for crusty bread and campfire cooking, or the budget champion under $50 that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to cook like a pro, and all the links to these incredible pots are waiting in the description below with the best prices updated for 2026, so go grab the one that fits your kitchen before they sell out. If this guide saved you from buying a Dutch oven you regret, smash that like button, share it with your friend who's still using a stock pot for their chili, and subscribe because we're testing the best chef's knives next week to complete your kitchen arsenal. Speaking of which, if you want to know which knife actually stays sharp for months without honing, click the video right here. I promise your future chopping will thank me later.